you, Shan. You know, as a professional, as any professional would say, the health and hygiene of your mind is very crucial for you to be successful in mind. We're focusing on health and hygiene of the environment today.
But it's a catch-22. I think when you keep your environment healthy, clean, when you keep your home and your society uncluttered, it also, in a way,
helps
your mind and your mindset also. I mean, of course, you have to first. It's a two-way process, and sometimes when it comes to cleansing a society, sometimes we keep on talking about how you have to cleanse from inwards. But very often, if the place is clean, it's nice. Automatically, the same person who would end up, making a mess of things will say, "नहीं यार, इतना साफ जगह है, यहाँ मैं कैसे अपना गंदगी फैलाऊं?" So it also works the other way around, I believe, and I'm sure with every generation, when we were in school, we'd have special chief guests coming into school and saying, "Now it is up to you children to make the change. Humse to nahi ho paya." And now we are saying the same thing to the kids. But I think whenever, it's always today, it's every now. Even if we messed up in the past, it's always good enough. We can start from here onwards also.
You mentioned the children. They really are at the focus, at the heart of Better India campaign, because this campaign is all about building leaders of the future, and who better than children to take us forward. Your message before we let you go and take your seat for the young children today. Do you see a difference between your generation, my generation, and today's generation? Are they more doers than we were?
I think when we were their age, we felt the same ourselves. And while I was in school, I thought, it's impossible that whatever is happening, I'm an 80s in school or whatever.
Yeah.
That, oh, you know what, now by the time our generation comes in, all this will be, fantastic. We will be the winds of change and everything. But strangely, we all fell into the same zone. So I just hope and pray that our kids keep this zeal, keep this energy, keep this childlike innocence, that we can make a difference, and we are the difference, and we will make the difference, and really make it happen, and not follow line. But I'm not being cynical, but I think you guys have to prove me wrong. You guys have to make this happen, and not just the kids. I think all of us have to bring back that child in us and believe that we can make a difference, and we will be the difference, and it will happen, and it's looking good.
Remember the power of one. If you can make the change, then the change happens. With that message, thanks a lot for singing for us, and this anthem is going to catch on very, very soon, very quickly on Republic TV. But I request you to take your seat, and
Thank you so much.
to help our guests also get a very good idea of what we're really talking about today, about Better India. What is it all about? Year 1, Year 2, we have this special presentation. How are you?
Very good. I was in shock. I was not ready to enter the room. Ready? Come. First, let's sit.
So we'll have a lot of pictures as we go along, and all right, I'll just give them 2 minutes to just, yes, settle down.
रुको, खड़े होके बाद में करेंगे. अरे?
All right, so Pariniti, thanks a lot for joining us. I think you need one mic as well.
Hello.
Yes. All right, my pleasure to introduce Pariniti Chopra as Year 2 Campaign Ambassador, Better India. You've had, interestingly, associations in the past as well, which have been about the environment, which have been about, being motivated to be the change yourself. And is that what, motivated you to come on board in this campaign as well?
I think for me, first of all, good morning, good afternoon to everyone. I think for me personally, the most important thing is I've come from a very, very balanced and healthy childhood. My parents gave me a lovely, lovely childhood, and even though we lived in Ambala, which was a very, very small town, somehow within my home, I never felt any kind of issues, And so today when I'm in a position where I can connect with so many people worldwide, I feel I have to use it to my advantage, and I have to speak to people about things that genuinely matter to me. So things like cleanliness, environment, women empowerment, equality, education, everything that matters to me and was given to me so easily, I have to inculcate those thoughts and that ease in today's children's and hopefully adults if I can influence them.
We have a few children who've been participants and winner from year one of Better India.
Yes,
They're
hi.
waiting to talk to you as well,
Yes,
and we'll
yes,
come to
yes.
them in just a bit. But before that, you have Suman Majumdar from DHFL Pramerica also with you. He's someone who's curated this campaign from year one to year two. And this year, we're going to be looking forward to recycling a lot.
Yeah, year 2 is better because I'm here now, na?
Absolutely,
Year 1 was not that good, na? You have to say it.
It was good, but it's going to become better now.
Yeah, it was, I feel okay, and then it's excellent now.
It will be excellent. Come on, guys, it'll be excellent, yeah.
Okay, it's fine, huh?
So tell us, I mean, do you focus on recycling in personal life? I mean, because, you know, today we've become so consumerist that we have so many things we often don't notice how much we consume in terms of just things.
I very much do. And I'm not saying this because I'm here. I'll tell you another thing about myself. I never get associated with any campaign, brand, any initiative if I don't believe in it myself. Because I can't read from a list of answers. I can't learn answers. So whenever I'm on stage, I have to speak from personal experiences and it has to be the truth. That's the way I function. So I actually do. I actually have 2 waste paper baskets at home. There is hardly any plastic in my house. I mean, even a straw is not kept in my house. Plastic bags are not kept in my house. Everything is recycled. If there's any kind of tin cans, anything that it's all sent. So I actually have a full-on system in my house.
Wow. So I hope the young kids are listening because the
Are you
challenge for
listening?
them is this year to recycle. Straws is a very good example, isn't it? We don't really need them. So I don't know why they're there, and they're actually very toxic for the environment. So one message that should go out is just to not use stuff, Suman, that is not required in life.
Yeah, it's absolutely like that. You will see there is an organic or recyclable alternative to everything.
Everything.
It can be right from a spoon, a glass, a straw, to the paper bags, the shopping that we do, the wrapping that we do. Everything can be paper, everything can be natural. But we are just so used to the ease of plastic, etc., that we don't want to make an effort. We're like, it's fine. It's been going on for years. It'll go on in my lifetime.
Yeah.
You know, we'll deal with it later.
Or
But
my
I'm-
future generations will
yeah,
deal with
my
it. I
kids
don't have
will
to.
do it. 30 years, somebody else will do it. So it's always some other person. But you cannot wait for some other person. You have to do it because we are the persons living on this planet. So all of us have to make that change.
Suman, I'd like you to share your thoughts as well on having Pariniti on board.
Yeah, let's talk about that.
Okay, great, guys. You know, so before I start my thoughts on having Pariniti on the show and the campaign, I need to give her a good piece of news, okay? So this year, we have recycling, right, as one of the tasks. And I'm happy to share with you that the first school which has started with recycling is Army Public School from Ambala.
Oh, what are you
Wow.
saying?
Yes, absolutely. And so, you know, so we are launching it today. But as a trial, I mean, obviously, we reached out to a couple of schools, right? And
Yeah.
as a soft launch, and we said, let's see in case the process works or not. So that was the first school which adopted this. And the moment you said Ambala, I thought, I mean, so you need to hear this.
Oh, wow.
You
So
need to hear
Army
this.
Public School is the school that my brothers went to. There were only 2 good schools when I was growing up in Ambala. One was Convent of Jesus and Mary, where I'm from. And then the other good school was Army Public School. So I'm really happy. We should go to Ambala and do something.
And
Yes.
have her brothers there as well. And,
Yeah.
you know,
Yeah,
they
yeah.
can
Look
spread
forward
the
to it,
message
totally.
at their
But I'm
alma
really
mater.
happy, but I mean, honestly, like, we're joking about it, but it's really, 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 really important. I'll give you another insight. I like to scuba dive a lot. So I scuba dive every 3 months. And I can't tell you the amount of, sorry for my language, shit that you see underwater. I mean, there are fish that are drowning. How can a fish drown, right? They are drowning because they're choking on plastic bags and things like straws. It's become so bad. And if the oceans become dirty, the earth will not survive.
Yes.
So it's really, really crucial that we make changes right now. It's very important.
Absolutely. Remember, 70% of Earth is the ocean. So if we don't keep them clean, that's a lot of Earth not clean. I would like, you know, for Pariniti to kind of give a word of encouragement to some of our winners. We've got Trisha Komitla. She's the winner of the full campaign last year. Trisha, why don't you stand up? Don't be shy. So she's
Don't be
the one
shy,
who
smile.
won the entire thing last year. So big round of applause for her. And your word of encouragement for all our kids here as well. Yes, come.
I was just asking if I can go down and talk to them because I feel really rude.
I think they
Come,
have some
I
few
wanna give
questions
them a hug,
for you
actually.
as well.
You really? You're looking like my little brother. Hi. Hello. Hi. Come, I want to sit with them. Can I sit with you?
Yeah, why
Yeah,
don't we
yeah.
just
Get it.
have a seat here itself
Allow me.
Sorry, guys. I hope you can still see. Yeah.
and have a different kind of round table now
Oh,
with the
really?
kids.
Yeah, yeah.
Come, we'll all talk. Yeah, we'll talk like this. The only actor who's going against the light and doing this.
Yeah, please.
So hi, I wanted to sit here and talk to you guys because I didn't want to be rude and I didn't want to be on stage. But first of all, congratulations. It's not just a competition you have won. You have done something really, really important. And I hope that all our future generations and all of us sitting in the room learn from what you have done. I wish that this kind of formal training and initiatives were there in my time where everybody could take care of their own cleanliness, their own cars, cities, homes, everything, because it was not there. And that is why I think we've reached where we've reached today, because it's too late, you know. But I feel it's never too late. We can still start, and it's children like you who can bring about that change. So thank you for starting this initiative, and hopefully all of us and Republic TV, me, everyone will continue it. Yes, 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 yes. She's still very sad, yeah. Kya kare?
Trisha, why don't you tell us how
Yeah,
it was
I
for you
actually
winning
really
it
want to
last
start
year?
with her because she's the individual winner of the campaign.
Yeah.
So I really want to know why you did what you did, the actions that you take, everything. Tell everybody everything that you did. Huh? Yeah. She's saying, huh? Sab kuch? Okay, in 500 words.
It was really good throughout. And it all started because my mom and I went to a orphanage to donate some money. And we saw that we were talking to the kids, and some of them were saying that they didn't want to go back to their house because there was no proper hygiene, no sanitation, and they didn't get proper food. So that trust was called Ananya Trust, and they were helping all those students. So then I thought there should be something done about this issue, all these issues. And the Better India campaign got introduced to me by my school. And I immediately
In a certain
signed
manner, I also attract a lot of attention. And that is what actually happened on the ground. Once the awareness was raised with the kids, a lot of other partners joined on the ground. So it was not just a collaboration at the corporate level, at our level, but also on the ground there was a lot of collaboration that happened. The local leaders, the communities, the schools, the health authorities, they all sort of came together to make this program successful. And so there were lots of things that initiatives which were taken by authorities, which we probably hadn't really initially thought about. And so the fumigation was done, and then that followed through. It was not just that it was a one-off thing. It followed, it kept happening.
Continuously. So it is
Continued.
continuous change and continuous
Absolutely.
preservation.
Absolutely.
Namita ma'am, if I can just quickly take your comments on how you think Better India can continue to be sustainable, and your message to the kids as well, because through Yes Foundation, you deal with change makers yourself.
Thanks. I think, it's very important to focus on collaborations here. And we heard the other panelists mention about how relationships work. So government really provides a large scale. Civil society like CAF really brings in that ground level connect, because it all comes from the heart. And really the corporates bring the management skills to the table. So what DHFL is really doing, or what Yes Bank is doing, Yes Foundation is doing, is that last mile connect. And I think these kind of tripartite or collaborations would bring about the change that we are looking for. I think to the kids, it is very important. You are the change that you see yourself, you want yourself around. And we heard Pariniti also very nicely mention about how some influences have been on your mind as a child which you want to take forward. I think this is a brilliant initiative. We would also like to come forward and collaborate. I think, Suman, it's a brilliant thing that you're doing, and congratulations.
Thank you so much. Thank you. We really look forward to everybody's appreciation and stepping forward to be part of this campaign. And Pariniti, you asked, right? I mean, so what is the difference I'm making? Guys, you know, when she walked in, obviously I didn't know her as a human being, right? I've seen her work professionally, so that she's great. So there was a beautiful face coming forward. But when she spoke, right, and the way she spoke, she didn't have to go down there, sit down there, but she did that, okay? And that was not part of some rehearsed script or something like that. She just did it on her own. So when you have a beautiful person, you know, a pretty person with a pretty mind, I think you become a beautiful person. Thank you so much for doing this. And
Sweet, yeah. I'm feeling shy now. Thank you.
Thank you, Suman. Thank you so much. Thanks a lot for all of our panelists to be here. I would like to invite our winners from our year 1 to please come on stage for the picture with Pariniti.
अरे टेबल निकालो टेबल वो टेबल बैठ जाओ रेडी हो बैठ जाओ यार
क्लास फोटो
एवरीबॉडी हेलो follow everybody come on that's good okay say cheese people
laugh loudly.
come on everybody
Yeah. No, all of you have to scream, okay? 1, 2, 3, go.
come on one crazy
खाना खिलाओ यार.
crazy बोलो
Okay, one more
Ingreji.
time loudly.
Ingreji.
You have to be happy, okay? As if we gone on a school trip. Shout better India. 1, 2, 3, go.
once more मेरे से ले ले अरे ओ चाचा फोटोग्राफर अरे हेलो इनाम Pari solo. परी यहाँ पे परी जी राइट साइड परी जी यहाँ पे राइट साइड हाँ यहाँ पे दिस कैमरा हाँ परी जी यहाँ पे देखा नहीं चलो तुम्हारे